Alright, this is a tutorial about how to begin a Google document. First, we're going to Google Drive so that we can get to the correct site. We're going to click right here. This opens straight up to my Google Drive because I'm already signed into my Gmail. I'm going to go to this left corner here and click New. And go down to Google Docs and click on that. That opens up a new Google document. Up here is where you're going to put your title of your document, and that's so that you can find it in your drive. So I'm just going to type that in there. Down here is where we're going to start our essay, and I'm going to show you how to do a header. First of all, we're going to go to the standard 12-point font, Times New Roman, and let's see here. We're going to go to double spacing. That's the 3 dots and over here to those arrows and down to double. Now we're going to make our header. First comes your name. Then comes the name of your class. For instance, ECE 202. Whoa. If I can type that out for you. Again, that's an example. Next comes the due date of your assignment. And last but not least, the title of your paper or assignment. Then you're just going to hit return, indent, and start your essay.